It's been about a month since you started your YouTube channel. You've published your first few videos, you've been checking your analytics like mad, and nothing's happening. No views, no subscribers, no comments, no signs of life whatsoever. And now you're wondering, am I just wasting my time? Trust me when I say this, I've been there. When I hit the 1 month mark with my YouTube channel, I genuinely thought about quitting. It felt like the YouTube algorithm was completely against me, that no one was watching. It felt like I was putting hours of work into something that no one was interested in. So if that's how you're feeling right now, I totally get it. It's totally normal. But 3 months in, here's what I've learned since then. The algorithm is not against me. It's just learning. Because in the early days, the algorithm doesn't know you yet. It doesn't know who your content's for. It has barely enough data to even hazard a guess. YouTube doesn't just give you an audience. It's going to show your videos to the handful of subscribers that you've picked up so far. And then it might kind of toss it into the wild here and there just to see how people respond to it. So if you're not getting many impressions or views straight away, then that's completely normal. YouTube isn't rejecting you. It's just saying, okay, let's see what else you've got. And here's the truth that nobody tells new creators when they're getting started. Your actual growth in your channel is predominantly going to come from about 20% of the videos that you produce. This is backed up by data. Go to any of your favorite YouTubers, go to their videos and sort it by most popular. And you'll see that actually it's just a handful of their videos that have really given them the highest number of views and therefore most likely the highest number of subscribers. So if none of your videos have popped off yet, it's not that they're bad, it's just that they fall into that other 80%. Your breakout video could be video number 8, video number 18, or video number 28, but you'll never know if you stop at video number 5. For me personally, the turning point wasn't one viral video. It was a handful of videos which outperformed all the others. It was comments coming up from people that I didn't know. It was returning viewers showing up in my analytics. It was slowly but surely watching that subscriber count rise. That's when it started to hit me that I was no longer shouting into the abyss, that my tribe were actually starting to find me. And it wasn't because I'd cracked some magic formula. It was because I kept showing up long enough for YouTube and actual human beings to actually figure out who I am and what kind of content I was producing, for them to put their trust in me as a creator. So in these early stages of your YouTube journey, let's change the dynamic. Let's stop chasing those views and look at it as building momentum. Your videos are going to start to get better with each and every upload that you do. You learn something from each video that you produce, and then you are documenting your journey for everyone to see how far that you've come. You are not wasting your time. You are laying the foundations for your channel. So if you're 1 month in right now, don't quit. Not now. Not after everything that you've put into this channel so far. Keep going, keep improving, and watch your tribe start to build. I see you, and I'm rooting for you. Drop me a comment if you're currently in this grind. I promise I'll reply. We're in this together. If you've watched this far, I'm Steve Brocky. I'm documenting my own YouTube journey, and I'm trying to offer encouragement and pass on the things that I've learned to other small creators who are trying to grow on the platform. If that sounds like the sort of thing that you're interested in, maybe subscribe to the channel and join me on this journey. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. All that leaves is for me to wish you a good day, an even better week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.